Hello everyone, welcome to Code Insight. So today we will learn how we can print a Fibonacci series of any length. So before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest video from Code Insight. And at the end of the video, if you feel you have gained some knowledge out of this video, so do like. So let's get started. I've created a simple Java class. So let's write main method. Okay. So what we'll do here, we will create a variable, int variable, which will basically uh, Fibonacci count. So count is basically a variable, how many numbers you want to print. If you want to print 10 Fibonacci numbers, 15, 20, so you can provide that count here. And now we will take one array in which we will store our Fibonacci numbers. We take it as fib array, int array of type fib, which is new, int array of length, similar to count. Okay, so we have created one array of size equal to the count that you have provided. Okay, so now we know that 0 and 1, they are Fibonacci by default. We do not need to do anything about it. So we will simply store these two variables in the array. At zeroth index, at fib array zeroth index, we will store 0, which is a Fibonacci number by default, and one position we will store 1. These two are Fibonacci number. So we do not need to do any calculation for these two number. But after that, we need some calculation. So now we have stored one element at 0 position, one element at 1 position. Now we will iterate from second position. Now the first two positions are filled with 0 and 1. So we are left with 8 uh, p- uh, 8 blocks in the array which is empty, which we can use. So we'll iterate this array from int I equals to 2. We'll start from 2 and then we'll move to I less than fib array. We'll move not array, we have count, so we can move till count, and then I plus plus. Sorry. So we will start from to second position till the less than count, which is 10. So we have started from 0 to length minus 1. So that is count. Count is 10. So we'll move from 0 to less than 10. That is 9. 0 to ninth index. Okay. So now we'll iterate one by one. So first it will pick I is equals to 2, and it will come check that I 2 is less than count. Yes, then it will come inside, and what it will do, it will add at second position, sorry, I fib I we want to put now at second position, but what we want to put here. So this is the logic that to calculate the next Fibonacci number, we what we do, we add the sum at the last two number fib array I minus 1 plus Fibere I minus 2. That means 2 minus 1, which is 1. So it will do like this: 1. Fibere 2 minus 1 is 1. So at 1 index, we have store. What we have stored at Fibere 1 index is 1. So 1 plus Fibere I minus 2. I minus 2 is 2 minus 2 is 0. So what we have stored at Fibere 0, that is 0. So 1 plus 0 equals to 1. Got it? So we'll store 1 at second index also. Now again it will increment I value by 1. It will be 3 now, and now we will place at third index. Now fib array 3 minus 1, which is 2, and fib array 3 minus 2, which is 1. Now 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So it will place 3 at the fib array third index. So it will continuously increment till 9th index, and it will store all the numbers inside this array. So once this loop is complete, we will simply create this array. Okay, so we are just printing each index by iterating this array, and it will simply print it. If we run it, so what we can see is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. So this is the Fibonacci series. What also we can do is that we can simply skip this for loop if you want to increase the reduce the time complexity. So we can simply ignore this for loop, and we can simply print this thing here as well, like for this we have to print these two variables in the beginning, because uh, these are not inside the loop. So if we run this, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. So in this way also you can do it. So that's all about the Fibonacci series. So you can also increase the number of counts, and you can print more Fibonacci numbers till your count. Hope you like it.